Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is back to school. Hey guys, welcome back. This week it is back to school. It's a big week for a lot of you guys. Today we are going to be doing something quick, simple. There's a few rules that we need to go by when it comes to back to school. We need to make sure the skin is clean, moisturize. The step one before any school routine is take a shower. If you cannot take a shower, scrub your face with a warm rag. People, please, get the dead skin off, get the funk out your eye, get the smell off your skin, feel fresh and awake and alive and clean your ass crack. We've already exfoliated and whatnot. We are going to use our Olay Active Hydration. Wow, that was a lot. Now that our face is moisturized, it's quenched, it's not thirsty anymore, we are going to quickly color correct these dark circles. That way you look nice and refreshed. Make sure you use a good primer, cover them pores up. All right, now that our holes are filled, we are going to use a matte and poreless foundation. We are only going to use a little bit. And let's apply the foundation very lightly. Perfect. So if we can't survive putting our makeup on and getting creases, then the creases ain't gonna survive throughout the day. Okay. We are going to conceal. Today I'm going to use the shade Light Medium Honey and Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And I'm not putting a lot. I'm just going to cover right underneath my eyes. Okay, so let's blend that in. We're looking a little washed out, we're looking a little white, pasty pale. Don't worry, we're gonna fix that. Let's set in our forehead with a little Coty Airspun. Now instead of contouring today, we don't want heavy brown lines sitting within 3 feet of our classmates. So we are just going to use a little bit of butter bronzer to kind of add some warmth and bring in the cheeks. It's very important to blend all the way down. You might want to be careful because you could very easily over bronze. Keyword you. Me on the other hand,
I am a bronzy goddess.
So now that we are bronzed around our face, we are going to bring it in a little bit on our eyelids. For this we are going to use a big fluffy brush. We're going to take our bronzer and we're going to just go into our crease and add some color. Taking the same bronzer, we are going to take an angled brush and we are going to contour the nose. Okay, and taking the same brush we did our eyes with, we're just going to gently blend that contour out. Woo! We can take our brand new Morphe setting spray, continuous light mist, and set all of that in. Oh, yes. All right. Now let's move in for the eyes. This week, we are doing something unheard of. We are using Jeffree Star and James Charles together for one look. What do you guys think? In the town I live in, the school colors are orange and blue. So I was thinking we could stick to that theme and do an orange lid with a blue accent, a light lash, light liner. You know, something quick and easy. Starting off, I wanted to use a good vibrant orange. I was going to use the shade Suck in the Jeffree Star palette, but when I layered it with orange juice, it just didn't mix well. So what we're going to do is use shade 518 in our James Charles palette. And I'm just going to apply that with my ring finger right to the lid. Taking the same brush we put on our eye bronzer, we are going to blend that out. Spray one more time with our Morphe. Now that we have our orange blended out, we are going to go in with orange juice. Just put it right over the lid. Right over that orange. Yes, hunty, yes. We are going to go in with double scoop in our mini breaker. And gently blend that up and out. We are going to go back into our James Charles palette and we are going to use shade Playground. I guess we can just take a pen. Oh no. We will use our precision crease brush that we got in our July BoxyCharm subscription box. So let's wet our brush. These are cute little wooden brushes. Go into Playground. Should I add eyeliner first? Let's put on some white eyeliner. Going in with our NYX Jumbo White Eye Pencil and my rabbit tail. We're gonna go in with some more Playground and really blend that out. Boom, done. Now we're looking a little sad and dragged down right now, but when I add liner and lashes, it will all clean up. We are going to take some orange glitter and just dab the inner corner of our eyes. We are going to use a waterproof mascara so that it lasts all day. For lashes, we are just going to go in with these cheap Ulta lashes in Brazier. I don't know if I've ever cut these. In order to make sure I have a good eyelash blend, we're just going to take a little bit of e.l.f. black eyeliner and go over our eyelash line. Don't mess up a good makeup look because you want to try to be extra with your eyeliner. The only reason I'm putting on a small amount of black is to cover up my lash line. Okay, our lashes are on. As you can see, they are not that heavy, but they are enough to make a difference. Also, they're a little crooked. I forgot to do my eyebrows. Big surprise. I'm growing out my eyebrows right now, so I just want to fill them in very lightly and have a natural brow day. Okay guys, all that's left is our lips and our cheeks. For lips, I just want to do a nice natural liquid cat suit from Wet n Wild. If you want to lighten him up a little bit, you can. Let's add a little blushy tone to our cheeks. Let's go in with our James Charles palette for highlight and use shade Face. Now let's add a little bit of shine for our first day back at school. All right, you guys, that's today's back to school look. I hope you enjoyed it. We are in the spirit with our blue and orange. I hope you guys have a great first week at school. This year is bound to be great. Don't let nobody make fun of you. Slap them if they do, and tell them to subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button, leave me a comment. And here's a special message all the way from North Carolina. Here's Caitlin.
Okay guys, I'm back just for one little thing. Ding, ding, ding. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay guys, have a good night. I'll see you next week. As always, love you. Good night.